Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to turn off location history in Google account. It is very simple, so let's start. First of all, you have to open your Google browser app. Now you have to click on your Google account profile, which is located at the top right corner of the screen. Now click on the Google account and here click on data and privacy. Scroll down a little bit and here we got the option of timeline, which is basically location history. Just click on it and you have to turn this off. Now click on turn off and delete activity. Now click on next, delete, and then you have to click on the got it, and that's it. Your location history has now been deleted and also turned off. That's it. I hope this video will help you a lot. If so, please consider in liking this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.